from your computer, open your web browser and navigate to fieldview.com.au. Next, click on the Login button at the top right of the page. Type in your username and password you chose when you created your account and log in. You'll be automatically directed to the Fields tab within FieldView. Select the Manage Fields button at the bottom left and select Add Field. This page takes you through the steps of adding and naming your field. In the search bar on the upper left, enter an address, zip code or latitude and longitude, then click Go. Once you've entered your location information, the map will navigate to that area. When you locate the field you want to map, click the Draw button and outline the boundary of your field. If you need to make any adjustments, simply drag the edges of the field until they are correct. Once you're finished mapping your field, enter the field name, client name, which could be your name or landlord's name, and farm name. Click Save if that's the only field you are adding, or click Save and add more if there are additional fields you want to map. If you need any additional help mapping your fields, please contact our support team at 1800 491 809.